my name is Yahya. In today's video, I'm going to learning something that we use a lot in our conversation. That is verb so, neither. Maybe someone is thinking about it. What is so and what is neither? So is used to show agreement with positive statement. If someone says something positive and we agree with them, we can use so. The rule of this: so plus auxiliary verb or verb to be plus subject or pronoun. It means you will agree with somebody's saying something and you completely agree with him or her. In this case, we use so do I. So do I. To be more clearly, let us look at some example. Example number 1. I am happy. I am happy. If someone agree with me, because I say I am happy, if you agree with me, your response will be so do I. So do I. If you look at this statement or sentence as positive, I am happy is positive. We use so in this case. We say so do I. Let us take extra example. I am going to Brazil in summer. I am going to Brazil in the summer. If you agree with me, you can say so am I. Because I planned it to go to Brazil in summer, and you also agree what I am saying, and you say your response will be so do I or so am I. Let us take extra example to be more clearly. I like pizza. I like pizza. If you agree, your answer will be so do I. So do I. Because you completely agree with me, you also like the pizza. So this is about so. Let us talk about neither in a moment. Neither, we used to show agreement with the negative. Please focus in negative, with negative statement. If someone says something negative and we totally agree, in this case our response will be neither do I. Neither do I. The rule of this: neither plus auxiliary verb or verb to be plus subject or pronoun. To be more easy, let us look at some examples. I am not hungry. I am not hungry. You see the statement? If you look at the statement as negative. So in this case, and you agree also, you are hungry too, your response will be neither am I. Neither am I. I don't like mushrooms. If you agree you don't like it also, your response or your answer will be neither do I. Neither do I. Your response will be neither do I. Completely you don't agree. Also, the mushroom will be in your room, or you don't like to see at all in any room. This is verb so and neither when we talk about the pronoun I. So far, we talked about so do I and neither do I to show our agreement or to show our agreement with somebody's saying. What if we want to talk about somebody else? When we tell about somebody, we can change the pronoun you, they, we, and she, he, and she, he, or name of the person. Any name. Remember that we use helping verb or auxiliary verb do and does. For the further information, if you want to get more resource about auxiliary verb, you can go back to my YouTube channel. We say do we use with the plural pronoun and does with she, he. So, to begin, so do you, so do we, so do they, and does she, so does he, so does Mary. Because it's name. For the name, we use does, not do. For example, you are making a noise. You are making a noise. So am I. For the next example, or we want to change the pronoun with the name, and you will see how it will be. Steve likes pizza. Steve likes pizza. If you agree with Steve, you will say, so does Mary. So does Mary. Because we talk about somebody else. Steve likes pizza. So does Mary. It means Mary agree with the Steve, what Steve like it. And the most important thing, and we have to think about, the verb we use in a statement, it must to agree with the verb in response, whether present simple, past simple, present perfect, whatever in grammar. She can play guitar, so can I. Example number two. Example number two. They have finished early. They have finished early. If you agree, you say, so have I. So have I. Because you agree. because you agree, and then you will say, so have I. We could see stars. So the verb here could, and the answer should be by could. So could I. So could I. Next, I had not seen her before. I had not seen her before. The answer, first of all, we have to think about this statement. This statement, negative or positive? If negative, we have to answer by neither. If positive, our answer should be so. I had not seen her before. Not, it means negative. The response will be neither do I. Or next example, you shouldn't tell in the movie. The helping verb here, should, and should here, negative, shouldn't. Our answer or our response must be by verb should, will be neither should I. Neither should I. Next example, we couldn't hear her. The helping verb here, could, and the answer will be or should be by could, and the properly one will be neither could I. Neither could I. You haven't finished your meal. The helping verb here, have and have negative. When we get the statement negative, we use with neither. The answer will be neither have you. Neither have you. So the most thing and very important, we have to think in any sentence or any statement. If the statement positive, we use so. If statement negative, we use neither. And the second thing, which also is very important, the auxiliary verb or helping verb. Is the pronoun I, you, they, we use with do. If the pronoun she, he, or name of the person, we use does. We use does. To become, so do I, or so does he, or does she, or so does Mary, and so on. And the third one, we have to think about the helping verb, whatever the tenses in grammar, present simple, past simple, present perfect, we think about the helping verb. If the helping verb can, could, should, have, any helping verb, use again in our response or our answer. This will be properly one and grammatical one in your speaking. Hopefully this is the verb what I wanted to cover today for you, and hopefully everyone enjoyed with this video, and thank you for watching, and please don't forget to go to the YouTube to subscribe my channel if you like it, or if you're sourcing any information or any grammar, you can go back to my channel. You will find extra information about auxiliary verb and adverb grammar.